Do you have a Gen 2 Prius with a bad multifunctional display? Dealers will charge $2,000 to $5,000 for a new OEM display. This video will show you how I changed my display for under $200. First, pull the old display out and check the part number on the back. There are 5 different variations. Search for the part at a local salvage yard or buy on eBay. The tools you will need is a Phillips head screwdriver, trim removal tool, 10mm socket wrench or pliers. Remove leftmost trim panel. Remove 2 screws under the panel and under the hood latch. Pull lower panel out and then the top dash panel. Pull 2 side trim panels next to the display and radio. Remove 2 10mm bolts holding the display in place. Pull display unit out. Pull 3 harnesses out by depressing latch on each connector. Reconnect all wire harness connectors to the new display. Insert display back into the dash. Start the car and test that display works before reassembling dash. Tighten the 2 10mm bolts holding the display in. Snap the side trim panels back in place. Snap the top and bottom trim panels back in place. Insert back 2 screws at the bottom panel. Snap the side panel back in place. Start the car and test again. Set the time by double tapping minute and hour button. Hold down until the correct time is displayed.